Welcome to the best picks. The best modern clocks is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of interior design. They seamlessly blend functionality with aesthetics, transforming a simple time-telling device into a statement piece that elevates the ambience of any space. Finding the perfect modern wall clock involves careful consideration of various factors, from its style and material to its size and functionality, ensuring it complements your existing decor and personal preferences while serving as a reliable and visually appealing addition to your home or office. Number 5. Jomparis 12 Wall Clock. This stylish clock is perfect for any room in your house. Its modern design and silent operation make it a great addition to your home or office. It features a precise quartz movement, ensuring accurate timekeeping without the annoying tick-tock sound. Enjoy a peaceful environment wherever you place it. With its sleek cement gray dial and large 3D white numbers, it's both functional and beautiful. The high-quality ABS frame adds to its durability. The large, clear numbers make it easy to tell time from across the room. Plus, the convenient back slot and included hook make installation a breeze. It's powered by a single AA battery, not included, which can last up to a year. We also offer a 90-day refund and a 365-day quality guarantee. This beautiful and functional clock will complement any decor, adding a touch of modern style to your living space. Order yours today. What we like? It's whisper quiet, perfect for bedrooms or offices needing a peaceful atmosphere. The stylish design complements any modern home. If you value a silent, contemporary clock that's easy to read, this is the one for you. What people say. The cerulean color adds a refreshing pop of color, while the design is clean and minimalistic. The white hands and numerals contrast perfectly, making it easy to read, even in low light. It is much quieter and much lighter. My husband loves that it is easier to read and much more accurate than the old one. Wall clock came well packaged in perfect condition. Inserted the AA battery and it was off and running with no issues. The clock is a simple straightforward design which fits well with my bathroom white marble tile and very light gray walls. Number 4. Mosewa 10 Silent Wall Clock. It features a clean white face with black Arabic numerals, brown wooden hands, and a minimalist aesthetic. The design is frameless and without glass for a modern look. Enjoy a peaceful atmosphere. It uses a silent quartz movement, so there's no distracting ticking sound, perfect for bedrooms or offices. This isn't just a timepiece, it's a stylish addition to any room. It's ideal for kitchens, living rooms, or offices, and makes a thoughtful gift. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply hang it using the included hook and insert one AA carbon zinc battery, not included. We're here to help. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like? This minimalist clock is understated elegance. It's completely silent, ideal for any room. If you appreciate clean lines and a quiet environment, this clock will fit your style and needs. What people say. The Mosewa 14-inch wall clock has become the focal point of my home decor, adding a touch of sophistication and functionality to any room it graces. Its sleek and modern design, coupled with its silent, non-ticking operation, makes it the perfect addition to bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and home offices alike. The 14-inch size of the clock is just right, making a bold statement without overpowering the room. The gray color adds a contemporary flair, effortlessly blending with a variety of interior styles and color schemes. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware and instructions. Within minutes, I had the clock securely mounted on my wall, ready to enhance the aesthetic appeal of my space. The battery-operated design eliminates the need for unsightly cords, adding to the clean and uncluttered look. Number 3. MOOAS Flatwood Wall Clock. This beautiful clock is the perfect addition to any room in your home. Its slim design and large, easy-to-read dial make it both functional and stylish. At only 0.16 inches thick, it's so slim that it will barely take up any space on your wall. It's perfect for smaller spaces or rooms where you want a minimalist look. It features a silent, sweet movement, so you won't be disturbed by any ticking noises. Enjoy a peaceful and quiet environment. The simple design and large dial make it easy to read the time from across the room. No more squinting to see what time it is. Its versatile design complements any decor, whether it's your living room, bedroom, kitchen, office, or even a cafe. It's a beautiful and functional addition to any space. With its simple design and ivory background, it's a stylish addition to your home. It's the perfect blend of form and function. What we like? Its incredibly slim profile makes it a space-saving choice. The clock is silent and easy to read, perfect for any room. If you're looking for a discreet, quiet, and easy-to-read clock, this is a great option. What people say? It's a quiet clock that is the perfect size for my dining room. The colors work well. It's easy to night read from a distance. The quality seems good, so I think it will last a while. Looks cute, seems food quality and works well. Got it for our nursery and it's nice and easy to read. I really like this clock. It's modern and very quiet. I love the bamboo hands, looks good on wall. Number 2. Junkin 3D DIY Wall Clock. This isn't your average clock, it's a fun, creative way to tell time and decorate your space. It's easy to assemble and customize to fit your style. With its unique 3D design, this clock adds depth and visual interest to any room. The simple assembly process makes it a breeze to set up. Made with high-quality EVA foam and acrylic, it's built to last. The materials are resistant to damage and ensure a long lifespan. Customize the size to perfectly fit your wall space. It's adjustable from 23.62 inches to 47.24 inches in diameter. The included family quote stickers add a warm, personal touch. Place them inside the clock or anywhere else on your wall. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, offices, or any space needing a stylish and functional addition. It's easy to install on any smooth surface. This is more than just a clock, it's a fun DIY project you can enjoy with your family. Let your creativity shine as you customize your clock. What we like? It's a fun, customizable project. You get to assemble this unique clock yourself. If you enjoy creative projects and want a truly personalized wall clock, this is perfect for you. What people say? Large numbers and looks great on the wall. Looks great. So far tells time accurately. The clock turned out nicely, but the family phrase needs improvement. Number 1. Fapugh 12 Analog Wall Clock. It features large, 3D embossed numbers with electroplating for exceptional clarity. The frameless design is both stylish and practical, making it perfect for any room. Enjoy peaceful silence with its quiet quartz movement. No more annoying ticking sounds, ideal for bedrooms, offices, and classrooms. Powered by a single AA battery, not included, it's designed for energy efficiency. A new battery will typically last for about a year. This clock uses a precise quartz movement to ensure accurate timekeeping. You can always rely on it for the correct time. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, we offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. Plus, there's a 12-month worry-free guarantee and 24/7 email support. What we like? This clock boasts large, easy-to-read numbers. It's completely silent, ensuring a peaceful environment. If you need a durable, easy-to-read, and silent clock, this is a great choice. What people say? The clock was packaged well. These clocks are plastic, but they have a wood grain finish that makes them look very nice. The numbers and hands on this clock are gold in color, large and very shiny. Very easy to read. The movement is silent. Out of the box it is keeping good time. Hanging on the wall, this looks like a high-end quality clock. This clock is very lightweight and honestly doesn't feel very high-end at all, but the hand movement is smooth, not the normal ticking that most budget clocks do. The minimalist modern design is perfect for any room. The clean, white face with bold black numbers makes it easy to read from a distance. The silent, non-ticking mechanism is a game changer. It's perfect for bedrooms and offices where you need a quiet environment. The build quality is solid. It feels durable, yet it's lightweight enough to hang easily on the wall. The glass cover and smooth finish give it a premium look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.